Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking just a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And the question is do you want to make money online? And if you do, then I've got something I want to share with you. If you haven't seen this yet, you get to see it right now. Okay, there's a thought that I want to share with you first, and it's a thought by the late great Jim Rohn. And Jim says that success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Oh man, that's just another great quote and another great thought. I'm going to say it just one more time. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Isn't that a great thought? Well, we're introducing I call it the $50 payment system. Okay. It really is that simple. And if you want to make money, you can make money too with this system. You can get paid multiple $50 payments over and over again. Well, I guess that's what multiple means, right? Over and over again, many times. Absolutely. So if you look here for me, okay, it says no website is needed. $50 one time out of pocket gets you started. That's it. $50 one time for the system. Okay. You receive a high converting web page. So you don't need a website. You're going to get a web page that you'll use to market the system with. All right. You're also going to get my advertising resources, and you'll be able to receive once you get started. Again, you'll be able to receive $50 payments over and over again. That's some great extra income. That's instant daily direct pay right to you with the payment processor of your choice. Okay. And again, you'll get my advertising resources and my action plan. So I want to share this with you, and then we're going to close out. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you a real quick look at the page. All right. And this is that page that you'll be sharing with other people. Okay. And it says, discover how to turn this page into your page that generates direct $50 payments to you. Currently, I'm receiving payments through Google Pay, Cash App, and Zelle. Okay. There's a simple 3-minute video right here that people will listen to, and they'll come down real quick. Just going to show you. This is a very simple, but it's a powerful page. Okay. Oh, let me just share this because you'll need to know this. As you can see, you're going to receive 5 resell rights products. All right. You're going to get a copy of the web page, reseller license, and again, you'll be able to receive those direct instant payments daily to you. Okay, so we're going to take a quick look, and this is how the page is going to look, and you'll see what you'll receive. And the page and the video really does the selling and the telling for you so that you won't have to do it. Okay. Okay, in closing, I just want to share another thought with you real quick, and you can see it right here. It says a little more persistence, a little more effort, and what seemed hopeless failure may turn into glorious success. A great thought by Albert Hubbard. Well, there you have it. It's just that simple to get started in this opportunity. One time, $50 out of pocket, and you'll be able to receive $50 payments over and over again. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today, no matter where you are in the world. Bye-bye now.